If you're trying to make the most of a small apartment, studio, or cozy dining area, choosing the right dining table can make a huge difference. The good news is, you don't have to sacrifice style or functionality just because you're short on space. In today's video, we're counting down 3 of the best dining tables for small spaces that are practical, durable. First up, we have the Byliable folding table. If flexibility is what you're after, this table is a fantastic choice. It folds neatly in half and comes with a built-in carrying handle, making it incredibly easy to store when you're not using it. That's perfect for apartments where every inch counts. Even though it's compact, it comfortably seats up to 4 people, so it's great for everyday meals, game nights, or even hosting a few friends. The heavy-duty HDPE tabletop is waterproof and easy to clean, while the powder-coated steel legs keep everything stable. The best part is, you can use it indoors or outdoors, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. And designed to fit where larger tables simply can't. And if you'd like to check the latest prices or learn more about any of these picks, you'll find all the links in the description below. Next, we have the Best Choice 3-piece dining set. This set is made specifically for smaller living spaces. It includes a sleek table and 2 matching chairs that slide completely underneath when you're finished eating, giving your room a much cleaner look. What I really like about this one is the built-in storage shelf underneath the tabletop. It's a simple feature, but it's incredibly useful for storing placemats, dishes, napkins, or even small kitchen essentials. The combination of MDF wood and a sturdy steel frame gives it a modern industrial style while keeping it durable enough for everyday use. If you're furnishing a small apartment, dorm, or breakfast nook, this set offers excellent value without taking over the room. Finally, we have the IRONCK Dining Set. If you want something that feels more like a traditional dining setup while still fitting into a compact space, this is a great option. It has a warm, rustic finish with an industrial design that easily blends into most home decor. The chairs tuck neatly under the table when not in use, helping you maximize your available floor space. The cushioned seats and supportive backrests make longer meals much more comfortable than many compact dining sets. On top of that, the durable engineered wood surface is easy to wipe clean, making everyday maintenance quick and hassle-free. It's a solid choice for small families or anyone who wants a stylish dining area without overcrowding the room. So, which one should you choose? If you want the most versatile option, the Byliable folding table is hard to beat thanks to its portable, foldable design. For shoppers looking for the best value and smart storage, the Best Choice 3-piece dining set is an excellent pick. And if you're after the most premium look with extra comfort for daily dining, the IRONCK Dining Set stands out as the best overall choice. Whichever one you choose, you really can't go wrong with any of these space-saving dining tables. If you want to check the latest prices or read customer reviews, you'll find all the product links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. For product links, pricing, and more details, check out the description. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.